The 2015 Dodge Journey. Dodge Journey combines the practicality of an SUV with the comfort of a car, all while boasting a style all its own. The Journey's optional third-row seat, along with innovative features like a chilled beverage cooler and in-floor storage bins, make it a good and affordable alternative to a traditional minivan. This vehicle has less than 35,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: cruise control, AM/FM stereo with CD player, power windows, fog lamps, premium cloth low back bucket seats, 4-piece floor mat set. Come take a test drive today.